Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also take a minute to check out some of our previous videos, and I am so proud to say that we have officially hit over 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. In today's video, let's talk about luxury kitchens perfect for entertaining. I don't know about you all, but one of the hardest things for COVID for me was not being able to see family and friends. So a little bit about our family. We love to entertain you guys. We love for people to come over, to hang out, have a good meal, just kind of talk. It does something for us. We really love that. And you know, there was none of that going on a couple of years ago. So it really got me thinking, I would love one day to have a luxury kitchen that is perfect for entertaining, as well as addresses all the needs and functions that a regular kitchen has and that a regular kitchen does. So of course, I came across this video idea. Let's take an inspiring look at some kitchens that are just perfect, of course, for being a kitchen, but also really great for entertaining. So just kind of picture in your mind one of these kitchens, your family being in there, and then some of your other family members or friends kind of trickling in, and everyone standing around with a plate or a drink, just laughing, talking, telling stories. You know, of course, you getting just tons of compliments on your fabulous kitchen, darling. But that's the kind of place that I want. And I think that a lot of the kitchens that are shown here in this video really achieved that goal and that purpose. The kitchen is truly the heartbeat of most homes. The kitchen is just really attuned to the rhythms of your family's personal life. And for those people that love to entertain, a well-designed, just super visually appealing kitchen that can handle a ton of guests is really important. So the contemporary multi-purpose kitchen with its all-star appliances and high-end finishes, it really turns into this entertainment venue of your home. It turns into this room where your guests can mingle with you, the cook, or if your wallet is really big, the cook that you hired. And sometimes your guests can even participate in the show because you have all of this space. You know, you can have one person in the stove area, one person chopping vegetables, one person to the side doing something else, and everyone is participating, everyone is having fun. It doesn't feel like a chore to cook right then. Also, many of the open plan designs, it really makes for a seamless transition from the stove to the table. Long gone are those days where the kitchen is tucked away in a small room in the back of the house with the door that closes. No, people now want to showcase their homes along with their kitchen because it offers so much elegance and style. Now, if your next question is, well, all of this is fine and good, but how do I know that I have a luxury kitchen or I'm looking at a luxury kitchen? What constitutes a luxury kitchen? Well, let's talk about it. So I would think my first tip for locating a luxury kitchen would be high-end appliances. And make that high-end appliances as well as high-tech appliances. So if you're building a luxury kitchen for your home, you want to really make sure that you're equipping it with the most cutting-edge appliances available. So this is going to be elegant, high-tech, and even integrated designs that co-work with each other. So think smart refrigerator, smart stove, refrigerators with cameras, like transparent doors, all of these kind of, you know, interesting things and gadgets that it would be really cool to have basically come standard in this type of kitchen. Okay, so we're also going to look at quality countertops. So think quartz or marble, granite. Now these materials are durable and they just give an air of luxury to any kitchen. Now if you do have the funds to really debate on which one of these materials you want. I always say go with quartz because it's the most durable one on the list and it requires no coating due to its impervious nature. On the other hand, granite and marble demand a little bit of upkeep. Also think about wine racks. For some reason, rich people love wine, and a built-in wine rack is usually located in most luxury kitchens. I feel like maybe I'll never just be super rich, so since I'm not like a huge fan of wine like that, maybe if I become a huge fan of it, the money will come. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think that'll happen? Probably not. But wine racks do convey a sense of luxury, especially when used as a focal point in the kitchen. So if you're a wine fanatic, you can devote an entire wall or a portion of the wall to wine storage. And if you're just someone like me that just kind of likes to sip on it every now and then, maybe a few racks or a few shelves will just do, it'll be fine. That'll be great. Another signal that you're in a luxury kitchen are exotic wood countertops. Now, wooden countertops are something that we haven't spoken about yet. Little hint for you, a lot on this channel. However, we will speak about it now, just very vaguely, and then we'll get into it deeper later. So exotic woods with rich wood textures, it just really continues to be on trend for a luxury kitchen. So some of the most popular wood species would probably be African mahogany, zebra wood, or teak. All of these look beautiful in a kitchen. And also, since you're going to make it a space for entertaining as well, don't forget to really plan the layout of your kitchen, right? You want to have an area where people can gather. They have space to mill around and kind of move around the kitchen. There also needs to be adequate seating for the amount of people that you regularly entertain in that space. If it's a smaller kitchen, of course, we can go with fewer chairs. If it's a larger kitchen, you know, maybe you can have multiple seating areas, maybe a larger dining table, maybe a round table, some bar stools seated at the island or counter. You just want to have space for everyone to move around comfortably. So at the end of the day, no matter any of the tips and tricks that I have given you, at the end of the day, remember, this is your kitchen, your room. Make it how you want it. If you guys are huge grocery shoppers, go buy 4 refrigerators for your kitchen and 6 freezers if you want to. You know, if you know that you are not a cook and you guys don't cook, then maybe not have a huge sprawling luxury kitchens. I think sometimes we get so caught up in what everyone else do, we forget to really decorate for our style and something that we love. Alright guys, so as we near the end of this video, as I always do, comment down below your favorite kitchen, or I know I've given you close to 100 options, so comment down below, do you think these were good examples of luxury kitchens that you can entertain in? Is this an important feature to bring into your home? If, you know, finances were no option, would you have a room like this in your home? Do you think this is overkill? I'm just so curious, so let me know down below in the comment section. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room or tell me some of your opinions about this style. If you want to see mine, is this room right here. Now let me start by saying this is not my favorite kitchen. Okay, it's probably more on the opposite end. However, I do think this is, in my opinion, one of the best kitchens for entertaining. I love the layout. Everyone has a space. And you know, honestly, this kitchen really reminds me of a hibachi grill. Does anybody else get that vibe? As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.